If you need to share multiple videos in one Instagram story without posting them separately, then this quick video is for you. I'll show you two different ways on how you can add two or even three videos on one single Instagram story, so just follow my steps. I'm first going to open the Instagram app on my phone and then I'll create a new story, just as an example for this video. Let's open the photo gallery and then select two videos which I need to add to a single story. The problem with this is that this will post two videos in a sequence, and that is their default option. They won't be shown on one single screen, but they'll be separated, which is not what we want. So let's hop out of Instagram, because they don't have a built-in feature, but don't worry because I'll show you a little trick on how you can do this. What you'll need for this is a free application that's called CapCut. CapCut is available on both the App Store as well as the Google Play Store, so go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. Let's now put two videos on one story for Instagram. When I open the CapCut editing app, I'll tap on New Video right here, which will open my photo gallery. Your job is to select the first video which you want to add. I'll add this mountain video where people are skiing, and now let's add the second video. You'll first want to scroll through these tools and click on Aspect Ratio. Then find the one with the TikTok icon, and that is the same ratio which Instagram uses for its stories. After that, use your two fingers to move the first video, resize it, and many more things. I'm going to move my video to the top of the screen, and let's now add the second video. Click on the empty space to see the main tools, find the Overlay tool, and then tap on Add Overlay. The photo gallery will open once again where you need to select the second video for your story. And the last step is to resize that video, move it around, and all that other stuff. So you can repeat this process and add a third and fourth video if you need to. But that's about it. When you're done, just tap on Export at the top right corner to save the video to your photo gallery.